Alright guys, so it's Ricky Repairs back at again. Today we have a 2004 Dodge Ram. Alright, so what's wrong with it? The lights are out. This one's, as you can see, this lights, I believe that's the brake lights, but on this side works. Alright, so I have a few videos for this truck. Go ahead and check them out. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. So yeah, this might be the last video for this truck. Alright, let's go ahead and get the Torx to remove it. You have two right here, 1, 2. The size for that one is a Torx T25. Alright, let's go ahead and remove it. Alright, let's go ahead and remove it by hand. Alright, just go ahead and turn off the lights. Alright, just go ahead and wiggle it. Just come right off. After that, there's 4 Phillips that you have to remove. 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Alright, let's go ahead and remove those. Alright, so once you remove those 4 Phillips, it should come right off. That light bulb's broken. Alright, just gonna squeeze it, pull it out. Alright, so you just have to wiggle it side to side. Just come right off. Just like that. So you're gonna get the new one in. So here's the part. As you can see, it's working again. Alright, just gonna put that back on. Alright, so don't forget to tighten your 4 Phillips. After that, get your 2 Torx that goes right here. Alright, that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching. We'll catch you in the next one.